Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Ryan from Curbside Cleaning. Now, question: have any of you ever wanted to pressure wash something or get high pressure on a job you're doing at home, but you don't have a pressure washer, you don't want to invest into a pressure washer? Well, I have the answer. This little thing here, which I bought off Wish, claims to allow your garden hose more pressure and turn it into a pressure washer. Now, just looking at it, I think they're lying, but we will test it out for you guys. We will show some different setups. It does come with a normal hose end connector and has two nozzles. One that's a pencil-y sort of jet one, and then that's like a fan sort of jet one. Neither look like they're going to work, so don't hold your breath. It's got a couple of marks on it where it's been shipped, or a couple where it looks like it's nearly been sawn through, so I'm not holding my breath on this one, but we'll get it tested and we will show you the results. It feels nice, feels good quality metal. Doesn't feel cheap like the other stuff. I believe this was, I don't know if I got written it down somewhere, it was £14. No, that was something else. I haven't got the price, but I will find it out and I'll pop it on the video. It might even be in the title by the time I finish on with this video, but I will let you guys know how much it was, and whether you should buy one or not. My guess is no. Right, so we've got it here. Hey, we're going to set up the hose and get it plugged in. Right, put it down. Right, so all in all, feels alright. Let's turn it on and see if it leaks. Oh, it's on. Oh. Yeah, the connector's not very good. It's going to pop out. But if we turn it on, it does not stay in. Bear with me, be right back. Falling at hurdle number one. That's threaded. Okay. Now let's leave that on. Right, you can see when it's on, you do get quite a good bit of pressure there. Right. I mean, that's reaching all the way over there to the wall. I mean it is cleaning the ground as well. Oh. Okay, look, the pressure is too much coming from the hose, and it's pushing, because it's got a cheap connector on it, so it's pushing it out. But I mean, the pressure is good, so you can hold it in. Alright, let's turn that off quickly. I'm going to swap over to the fan jet. We'll have a little look at that quickly as well. I'm done. Plugged in, switch on. Right, so this one feel like this one would be alright for rinsing down a car. I mean, it's pushing all of that water away. There's definitely some pressure behind it. Right, so final thoughts on this. It does what it says on the tin. It does produce high pressure out of your garden hose, but the fitting on this end's cheap, and was just popping off of the end of my hose pipe. I use pretty good quality hose lock connectors on the end of my hose pipes. I don't think that's the problem. I've also recently changed it, so I think it is this one. So if you could find a replacement for this with a better quality, I think it would probably work quite well. The pencil jet was producing a lot of high pressure. It was going quite far. The fan jet was, you know, might as well just use the garden hose. It was no better than the garden hose. Would I recommend buying one? I wouldn't recommend buying one of these ones from Wish. I'm sure they do a high quality version somewhere. I've never personally looked into it. I just saw it on Wish and I thought that would make a good video, so I bought it to review it. But I'm sure I've seen, especially some of the American pressure washing companies, when they clean roofs, they do it from the ground. They use these to sort of extend the pressure on what they're using to reach the tops of the roofs, and in that case I'd assume they are probably very, very good. But yeah, I would not recommend one. Don't waste your money on this. Just get a pressure washer that's got those different attachments, different nozzle ends, and you almost got the same thing. But it doesn't work with your garden hose. So 6 one, half dozen the other. Hope you enjoyed the review, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Speak to you later.